Hey y'all, what's going on? We are here at Carowinds again, but I gotta look right side. It's media night. We're here for the rededication of the 50th celebration party. Rededication ceremony, officially kick off here on the Plaza stage. Here to check it out. There's gonna be a lot of other YouTubers and vloggers and a lot of friends of this channel that you know and recognize, and maybe some you've never seen before, but you need to check them out. But we got a lot going on tonight, a lot to cover. There'll be a lot of videos coming out from tonight. Hope you enjoyed this one. If you do, please share it out, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe because we have a lot of stuff coming from Carowinds all summer long with this 50th celebration going on. With that, we'll spin you around, show you the celebration fixing to kick off, and hope you enjoy it.
A place where families can enjoy a day of fun and foster community spirit. Just like a roller coaster ride, Carowinds has had its share of twists and turns, peaks and valleys. It's been an adventure filled with excitement that creates unforgettable experiences. Sometimes you can't predict what's coming next, but that's exactly what makes the ride worth it. May Carowinds always be the place where happiness thrives, where the Carolinas truly come together. Thank you.
So now that we heard from Manny and we got to do the rededication ceremony of Carowinds, we get to head on over to the Carowinds Theater and get a sneak preview of the Illusionist, the magic show, Brad Ross. That's going to be here all summer long for the 50th. They say it's an amazing show. The employees have been bragging about it. I can't wait to go see it. Now, we're not able to record in there, so I'll be able to tell you about it when we come out, but I can't show you. So that's okay, though. That little suspense, give you something to look forward to when you come to the park. Now, you may notice where I'm at. I'm right here at the bridge that goes over this service road right here. Well, that brings me to a good point. I'm working on a video here of what's still original after 50 years here at Carowinds. There's a lot of stuff that's still original, still here, and a few remnants of the past you may not realize you're walking by. So be sure you subscribe because we got a great video of that coming out. So now we get to get on stage and actually talk to Brad Ross to begin with. I mean, this is what he sees when he's up here. So it's pretty cool. But anyhow, we're going to do a Q&A with him.
Just come on over this way, so that way. Yes, sir.
So did you really start when you was a little child?
I did. I actually had a magician at my 5th birthday party. Sandor the magician and his magical animals, and came to my basement with all my friends. My family was there, and they put on a magic show. I helped make a bunny rabbit appear, which is funny because now I'm allergic to rabbits. I'm the only magician who's allergic to rabbits. But that's how I got started. It was at 5, and I got bitten by the magic bug, which is what we say in our business. And I continued the interest all through grade school. I took a magic class at the local JCC, and then another one at the YMCA. And I just really fell in love with it. I started doing birthday parties when I was about 13, and just traveled all around New Jersey doing it. And then after college, I started working in parks and cruise ships, and I toured for 10 years with production with Disney, and so excited to be here at Carowinds and back where I love to perform, which of course is the parks.
Now on the way out of the show, they do have some merchandise you can get, and you can get your picture taken with Mr. Brad Ross right here. Man, that was a great show. You enjoyed that show? That was a good show. Like I said, I couldn't record it. I did snap a couple pictures. You're allowed to take non-flash photography, just so you know. But really a great show. Does get some of the audience interacted. As you've seen on the way out, you can meet them and take pictures with them and all. But right now, we are headed to get a preview and try out some of the food that they're going to be offering for the 50th. So let's go to Starbucks and check out, see what they got. Now, before we go in there and check out the food, I got to show you they have a show going on out here on the State Line main plaza stage called Retrospect. Show you a little sneak peek of it. So it is an interactive dance show. You got him up there, but then spread you out a little bit here. So there's the show Retrospect. It's a little small piece of it. As you see, it's very interactive. You get kids involved, you get families involved. You're right on the state lines. Great, energetic show. Be sure not to miss it. We're running all summer. But right now, we got to head in here and check out some of this food they're going to serve for the 50th. Man, look at some of this food they have out for us. Oh, we fish to eat good. And that's just desserts. Of course, you know how to come desserts first, didn't there? Wait a minute. You kind of did, well, you got regular food too. Well, let's give you a look at some of the merch that they have in here on display right now that's available during this 50th anniversary celebration going on. I mean, they even have socks, y'all. You can get 50th Carowinds socks.
Like cookies, so we took the right dough dough, so we did cookie dough, see dough. Oh yeah. Alright? Big cookies. So we have our 50th anniversary IPA. It's almost like the Carowinds, but there's a little roller coaster. It's kind of after the White Lightning roller coaster that we have. So it's kind of a little model after that. Obviously, we want it to be large and in charge. This is our Celebration Happy Birthday Cake. We have our Happy Birthday Cake cupcakes. This is just regular, this is the plain cake. This, however, has a blueberry compote filling, also with a drizzle on the outside. And we went up with a fun company on the outside that we got these medallions from. So they just kind of print on and show the edible chocolate. And then these are just mini of the big cookies. So this is a blueberry, a lemon, then a butter popcorn for the tricolor blend. Try something new, make it look good. My favorite, obviously, our Happy Birthday shake, or takes the cake shake. The base is a cake batter flavor, obviously lots of sprinkles, a birthday cupcake, again with a medallion. That's a nice addition. The blueberry theming. So this is our 50 years of funnel cake. See what I did there? There is kind of like a funfetti kind of in the base. So the batter just has sprinkles inside of it. And then it's a blueberry compote again. And then golden sprinkles, since it's our golden celebration.
Would that be at every funnel cake location?
This will just be at Victoria Funnel.
Okay.
Yes.
I'm loving that.
It is just one burger. I just want to make it look crazy, so I put two. There will be a branding into it. So it's going to have a big stamp on top that has 50th in the logo. So it's just like this, but it will be burned into the top. So it's that new box. And then it has the 2 onion rings, pimento cheese, 2 beef patties, and then prime rib.
Well, we got a little break in the action from everything, so we got to come over here and catch a ride on Fury 335. When I say we, I mean we. Dustin from Carowinds Fans Only. So there's Brad from 8-Bit Vacations, Kathy from Fantastic Attractions, Dawn from Just Out and About.
No, I'm not around you.
No, not again. What are you doing here? Hey, look, there's Rock and Sandy leading the pack up there from Vincent. Hey, Rock! Hey! So yeah, we fit to take over Fury. We got our fast ain'ts and we're going to ride. Well, they got the front row of Fury. Y'all ready for this?
We're ready.
That's right. Rock and Sandy is back in action, y'all. What do you think, Brad?
Well, I run a big game. I talk a big game, right?
Yep.
Haven't ridden it at all last year.
Really?
So, it's going to be my first time riding it in a good long time. I'm ready for my stomach to be here.
Great. All right, y'all. Y'all seen Brad up there in the station from Brad from 8-Bit Vacations. Now, I need to say this first and foremost. The reason he was in the front and I was in the back, it came down to we needed one person in each row. So we played rock, paper, scissors. I threw paper, he threw scissors. He wins. Then he goes on to explain to you that he didn't even ride none last year.
I didn't.
So it worked out perfect. His first ride in over a year for front seat. How cool is that?
It was booking today. Like, I remember riding it before. That felt like much faster than what I rode before. So, had a blast. It was like pushing my glasses against my face.
It was fast.
Well worth it.
It was fast. What are we going to do now?
I guess we're gonna. My daughter wants to ride the horses, and then I'm gonna go see the fireworks show.
Hey, sounds good to me. Let's go. Caught you in some action, didn't I?
Yeah.
Caught you recording, didn't I?
You caught me in action.
Yeah. How you doing tonight, Rock?
I'm doing good tonight.
I hadn't had a chance to catch up with you and Sandy tonight too much.
We're ready to see some 50th fireworks.
Look, there's Sandy. It is so good to see you back out at the parks.
Yes, it's so good. Hey, I have a question for you.
What?
Has there always been the shake, rattle, and roll lit up
Yes.
like that? Okay. It's always been there?
Yes.
Okay. I'm just noticing it.
The rock and roller, I don't think was there the first year, maybe. But shake, rattle, and roll, I think has always been there.
And lit up like
I'm thinking so. I have to go back on older posts and look. You got me wondering now. If y'all know down in the comments, let us know. Ain't that right, Rock?
That's right.
That's right.
And that's my ride, rock and roller.
Rock and roll. They named it after you.
They sure did.
And
I need to talk to him why my name's not up in lights.
you got some explaining to do.
Yeah, that's right. Where's Ryan? I got some talking to do.
Well, something else I want to show real quick on the way back over here to County Fair is I love not only the decorations, but at night, the park is really taking on a different look. I mean, they're even putting, you know, projections up on the side of the walls and stuff like this. Loving all the little touches like that. They even have more projections over here on the, I guess, ground street, midway here. You know, we're over here in the County Fair area. So yeah, like I said, Carowinds really takes on a whole different look at night. I mean, the park is already a beautiful park as it is. Loving all these lights over here in County Fair area, but adding projections really steps it up. And just so you know, Dawn over here was just out and about, and she is live streaming right now. So everybody in the chat, you're gonna be on my video. Well, kinda. Yeah, this is what we see when you see us. Y'all were waiting on the street party about to start, and Seth and Courtney from the Jackson Travels have joined us. Y'all ready for a street party?
Oh, for sure.
Now, they do a conga line. Are we going to see y'all on the conga line?
Sure. Warm up. Yeah.
Warm up. Got to stretch. Okay. Well, here it comes.
I'm letting you do my commentary right now.
Commentary? Okay.
Yeah.
I'm the voiceover guy. Man's got skills.
I know. Thank you. And a kick.
What a busy night this has been, but now we got to finish it off with the drone and fireworks show. So we're over here in the County Fair area. You see those behind me? Electro Spin is actually in front of me, and well, Sandy and Rocker behind me. Y'all ready for this?
We're like in every shot.
What are they gonna say? They're not closed. We got to have a drone show. They can't close, Rock.
We're here after hours, Butch.
Ooh, maybe these help. Maybe these help. Anyhow, spin you around. Supposed to be 100 and some odd drones, a lot of fireworks. Really excited. It's the first night that the public gets to see it. You excited?
I'm excited. 50 Nights of Fire.
50 Nights of Fire starts tonight. We're sitting here. Look, we're being joined by Dustin and Rick. Carowinds fans on. Did you finally get it right, Windstar?
We did.
You did? Awesome. You missed an amazing party. I got hit in the head with a beach ball. You missed it. I did the conga. You missed it. But anyhow, let's go on down the line. There's Kathy from Fantastic Attractions. I'm vlogging her, she's vlogging me, we're vlogging each other. I don't know how that works, but it's kind of the Ghostbuster. We're crossing streams here.
You gotta love it.
Gotta love it. How you enjoying the night so far?
Good.
Fun, ain't it?
Carowinds star.
You did? Oh yeah. Look, and there's Todd. Fantastic Attractions. Let's go on down the line here. Seth and Courtney. Y'all having fun tonight?
I'm beat, but yes.
We got drone show and fireworks now, though.
I've been looking forward to this all week.
Very
All
energetic.
week. Oh yes.
Very energetic.
Loving the energy here tonight. The energy's really ramped up. And Dawn's still over here. She's still live streaming.
We're waiting.
You still live streaming? And look, the Retro Ben showed up. He follows me everywhere. What's going on, Ben? You having a good time tonight?
Oh yeah.
Did you ride Windstar?
Oh, yep.
I ain't rode it yet.
It's fun.
Is it fun?
Yep.
I got hit in the head with a beach ball.
That's not good.
It was fun. I did a conga too.
Oh, really?
You missed a really fun party over here.
Really?
Yeah, we had a street party. Yeah, you missed it. But that's okay. There'll be another one. You ready for a drone show?
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, let's do a drone show.
Here we go.
50 years ago, there was a declaration that here, spanning across the state lines of these two great Carolinas, would be a place to laugh, a place to enjoy, and a place to create memories. Visionary E. Pat Hall once said, Carowinds would be a place where no idea was too bold and no challenge too great. Tonight, we celebrate that promise in the place where the Carolinas come together.
Well, that's it. What a great night we had. The food was amazing. Everything was so much fun. The illusion show was great. The drone show and fireworks was amazing. Got 50 nights of all of this. That's the great part. So it's not just a one-night deal, not just a one-weekend deal, all summer long. So be sure to head on out here to Carowinds and get your fun on, because it's a lot of fun going on. With that, we got to head on out of the park because they're closed. They say we can't stay here. We got to leave. I got to go home, but we can't stay here. So with that, hope you enjoyed it. We are going to head on out. We got a Coaster Con going on, a lot more content coming up from Dollywood, and back here we got a lot of stuff going on. So be sure you subscribe, thumbs up, leave us a comment, hit that notification bell so you don't miss on any of the fun we're going to have. And thank you for hanging with Crazy Crew, and we'll see you next time.